The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is one of the most elegant classic cars ever created. Unlike many vehicles designed purely for speed or practicality, the Karmann Ghia was designed to be beautiful. Introduced in the 1950s, it combined German engineering with Italian styling, resulting in a car that still turns heads decades later. Every angle of this car tells a story of simplicity, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Front view: soft, elegant, and instantly recognizable. Looking at the front of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, the first thing you notice is how smooth and calm the design feels. The nose is gently rounded, with no sharp edges or aggressive lines. This gives the car a friendly and elegant appearance that feels welcoming rather than intimidating. The hood slopes downward smoothly, flowing naturally into the front fenders. At the center sits the classic Volkswagen logo, small but proudly placed. It reminds you that beneath this beautiful body lies reliable Volkswagen engineering. The round headlights are one of the most iconic features of the front view. Positioned slightly above the fenders, they look like calm eyes, giving the car a unique personality. Chrome surrounds the headlights, reflecting light beautifully and adding a touch of luxury without being excessive. The front bumper is thin and simple, finished in chrome. It follows the curve of the body perfectly, enhancing the car's symmetry. There are no large air intakes or unnecessary details, making the front of the Karmann Ghia look clean, balanced, and timeless. From the front, this car doesn't demand attention, it earns it quietly. Side view: flowing lines and perfect proportions. The side view is where the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia truly becomes a piece of art. The entire body flows in one continuous line from the front fender to the rear. There are no sharp creases, only smooth curves shaped by hand, not computers. The roofline gently arches over the cabin and slopes down toward the rear, giving the car a graceful coupe silhouette. This design makes the car look sporty and elegant at the same time. The doors are long and clean, with simple chrome handles. Thin chrome trim surrounds the side windows, adding brightness and contrast to the painted body. The windows are well-sized, making the cabin feel open and airy. The wheel arches are subtle and rounded, fitting the wheels perfectly without looking aggressive. The car sits low to the ground, giving it a confident stance while remaining practical for daily driving. From the side, the Karmann Ghia looks like it's moving even when standing still. This is a design that never ages. Rear view: simple, balanced, and classic. The rear view of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia continues the theme of elegance and simplicity. The rear slopes gently downward, maintaining the smooth shape established by the side profile. Because the engine is mounted in the rear, cooling vents are integrated into the engine cover. These vents are designed tastefully and do not disrupt the car's clean appearance. The taillights are small and classic, varying slightly by model year but always simple and well-positioned. They add just enough detail without overpowering the design. A slim chrome rear bumper mirrors the front bumper, completing the car's balanced look. The Volkswagen badge and model lettering are minimal, reinforcing the car's understated personality. From the back, the Karmann Ghia looks graceful and refined, proving that simplicity can be powerful. Interior: vintage charm and driver connection. Step inside the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, and you enter a world of vintage simplicity. The interior is clean and uncluttered, focused entirely on the driving experience. The dashboard is often painted metal, matching or complementing the exterior color. This creates a beautiful connection between inside and outside. The instrument cluster is simple, with a large speedometer and basic indicators that are easy to read. The steering wheel is thin and elegant, often featuring a chrome horn ring. It feels light in the hands and provides a clear view of the gauges. The seats are simple but comfortable, upholstered in vinyl or cloth depending on the model. The low seating position makes you feel close to the road, enhancing the driving experience. Door panels are minimal, with basic handles and storage pockets. The gear shifter feels mechanical and direct, reminding you that driving is an active experience. The cabin is cozy, quiet enough to enjoy the ride, yet alive with the sound of the engine behind you. It feels honest and connected, something modern cars often lack. Final thoughts: a car beyond time. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not about speed or power. It is about beauty, balance, and emotion. From its elegant front view to its flowing side profile, from its graceful rear to its charming interior, every detail feels intentional. This car represents an era when design was human, when cars were built with passion, and when driving was about enjoyment. The Karmann Ghia is not just a classic car, it is a timeless icon,